Hi guys, good morning. Hi, I'm Tapti. I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to a new video. Today is 3rd of March and welcome to my first ever exam vlog. Today, my exam is starting. I have kinesiotherapy exam today. Right now it is around 6:45. I woke up like 10 minutes ago and we have around 30 minutes to quickly revise everything. कल रात को मैंने पढ़ लिया है almost, but I'll just revise once everything properly. So let's get started with studying. I'll talk to you all after some time. And firstly, revision is important. तो पहले सब कुछ revise करते हैं. And yeah. Hi guys, I've left. I'm a little late. Vaishvi is waiting for me. Let's go. My hair also, I have to tie them properly. I'll do that in train. I've taken all the books so that I'll revise in the train also with Vaishvi. हम कुछ साथ में अच्छा खासा डिस्कस रिविजन कर लेंगे. मैडम, first exam, how's the Josh? I was like, you would give up.
Josh, hi sir.
You know what have I done? I'll tell you everything what happened with me in the morning and yesterday.
Hey, did you see my kurti?
Yeah, I know this kurti, but hi guys, Vaishvi will be seen in a minute. Hi,
How is you?
I'm good.
How
We are
is
here
the
at
Josh
station.
for?
There's so much gardi. Oh my god, see the gardi, guys. I'm be
For what?
massage.
Yes.
Hello guys, first paper is done. So we had kinesiotherapy today. Tisha, Vaishvi. Okay, my paper went good. मेरा MCQ I guess एक गलत हो सकता है, I'm not sure. और मैंने प्राणायाम वाला आंसर छोड़ा. What answers did you all?
Yeah, even I love the pranayama wala answer.
Passive मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से आता है. Go where?
Where are you going? अच्छा
Come.
यहाँ से.
Passive वाला मेरा बहुत
Yeah. What the fuck?
सार्थक भाई.
Wait, let me tell mine.
Okay, okay.
So I thought passive नहीं आएगा, active आएगा और मेरे को passive का manual mobilization याद नहीं था. इसलिए मैं सोचा कि उसका end में रखूंगी. मुझे योगिक breathe बहुत अच्छे से आता है कि मैंने प्राप्ति को सिखाया भी था 2 बार. तो
Yeah,
मुझे अच्छे से आता है.
right,
मैंने WhatsApp लिखा, मैं नहीं. मेरा सिर्फ लास्ट का एक पेज बाकी था. इतना लिखा है मैंने. इतना.
I could never write so much. वो तो बता रहे मुझे कभी भी दुआ है. मानो तो 3-4 पेज Twitter.
Guys.
How was yours?
Yeah, let's go.
अरे if you want to record outside. एक second. How was Simone's paper? Simone is our topper. How was Simone's
You
paper?
know, let the marks come, then we decide. But yeah, my paper was nice. But then everyone's paper was nice. Yeah.
दिलवा के साथ थोड़ा स्कैम हो गया था. She thought कि 30 minutes बचे हैं तो वो फटफट लिखने लग गई, but 1 घंटा बचा था.
Guys, so इतना सारा नहीं लिखा है भर भर के, and unfortunately मेरा जो लास्ट आंसर था that it went well, that did not go well. वो पकड़ नितुष पकड़.
Please come here.
Oh yeah, अरे यार. Okay, so मेरा लास्ट आंसर नीडिंग था एंड मैं डायग्राम बना रही थी, वो बैक का उसने में मैम ने मेरा पेपर खींच लिया, वाला मैंने लिखा है डायग्राम बनाया मैंने, पर मुझे मेरा राउंडर नहीं मिल रहा था. सो उस टाइम पे आई हैड टू मेक अ हैंड ड्राइंग जो बहुत गंदी बनी है, बट आई डोंट राइट इतना भर भर के आए एंड आई फील मेरा MCQ पक्का एक रॉन्ग जाने वाला, बिकॉज मैंने डिस्कस भी करा वो मेरा रॉन्ग आया है. एंड पेपर इज गुड, आई विल पास. आई जस्ट होप आई फील आई वोंट टॉप और एनीथिंग. आई रियली वांट टू टॉप बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई की थी, बट आई फील द पेपर वाज सेट विद वेरी बैड क्वेश्चंस. द क्वेश्चंस बट आई वांटेड टू टॉप, बट आई
No watch, हमें watch करना.
आई थिंक विल पास अच्छे से. वो तो अच्छा तो गया था.
Okay, first exam is over. Now we are going back home and we need to quickly start preparing for the next exam, which is kinesiology. Because वो मेरा बहुत अच्छे से नहीं हुआ.
नहीं ऑन किया.
What is happening? Wait. Hi guys, I'm back home. मेरा kinesiotherapy का paper was pretty decent. Like I guess one MCQ is wrong, but theoretically मेरे को I feel आता था मैंने लिखा, but I don't know. I guess of course I did miss a few points here and there, but what I have written is ठीक है. And now we need to start preparing for our next exam, which is kinesiology. So it is around 7:30 right now. I came home, I ate my dinner, washed my face, and I'm here back to studying. First need to make like, because अभी ज़्यादा time नहीं है, we have like very less time, so need to study. And few things need to be revised, but few things I'll be studying पहली बार, so need to do that properly. So that is the main task list. Chalo, let's start studying hydrotherapy. I've decided I'll finish that off first and then I'll start with biomechanics. I'm starting now with all the studying properly. Wish me luck. I hope मेरा syllabus अच्छे से हो जाए till night. So tomorrow in the college hours I can revise everything. So let's get started. Taking a mini break, having this. It's a magical ice cream and मुझे बहुत बोर हो रहा है. मैं अभी हाइड्रोथेरेपी कर रही थी, मेरे पास एक 2 PDFs है which I need to do, and with that I have my own मैंने PYQs एक बार अच्छे से लिख लिए हैं. Be doing them properly. Let's get started with biomechanics quickly, and it is already 9:20. Time बहुत कम है and पूरा biomechanics एक बार अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है. So let's get started. Quick update, I'm not able to study, so I've decided I'm going off to sleep right now. It is just around 11 right now, but I might be सो रही हूँ. कल सुबह my target is to wake up around 4:30 and revise everything properly. So see you all tomorrow. Good night.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It is around 5 o'clock, 4:45. I have woken up early to study because yesterday night I couldn't study, so I slept. तो अभी मैं पढ़ने बैठ रही हूँ बहुत अच्छे से. My plan is to study till 7:30 and finish all the topics, important topics and everything. So yeah, let's get started. I hope only thing I have I don't sleep in between, but we'll try our best and get to study. Let's get started. Hi guys, good morning. Just took a shower few minutes back. Revision kiya beech mein I took a 10 minutes nap also, and now we are ready to go to college. And for this exam, I'm genuinely taking a lot of stress because see, I have studied. Yeah, so see, I have studied. It's not that I've not studied, but I just do not feel confident because I'm like मैं 5 mark के question के लिए क्या लिखूंगी? I don't know what will I do. I'll revise thoda in the train, in the class because we have our exam at 1:30 ये मेरी पर अब ठीक है हमने जो पढ़ा है वो हम अच्छे से लिख कर आएंगे हाइड्रोथेरेपी में भी आई डिड ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज बट मेरा लास्ट का इंडिकेशंस कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन एंड ऑल दैट पार्ट इज लेफ्ट सो आई नीड टू डू दैट आल्सो so yeah quickly packing my bag and leaving and handling revise properly on the way Vaishvi will also revise with me and class mein I'll revise with Tisha Pia people so yeah so today like they told us smartwatches are not allowed so I'm wearing my Dada's watch. This looks very nice, I feel. And I love this watch. So now I'm leaving. चलो बहुत late हो गया है अब. I climbed अच्छे से. My God. I climbed अच्छे से. And I don't know where she went. Climbing so slowly.
के पास
She was very door के पास. I'm shouting कि तू उतर जा if तू नहीं चढ़ रही. Then she pushed two people and then उसने एक आंटी इसके पीछे आ गई. No, then it's fine. If you're in the edge, then that's a problem.
No, I पैसा push starting में ताकि मैं आगे आ जाऊँ. But I don't want to leave the train because next train कब आती है I don't know.
Right. And now we have to study also for this exam.
Yeah. Did you bring a tripod?
Yeah. I guess I'm not sure. मैंने डाला था. The light has come, ma'am. तो force ना कराए कोई.
Hi guys, we're back.
साथ है.
How is
Now we have our second exam.
Yeah.
Which is very.
I slept for 4 hours.
Is that funny? Chalo guys. Bye. For paper 2. Hi guys, so right now I'm back from college. Kinesiology ka exam was actually very easy because the questions are very difficult and I feel मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही पढ़ लिया था which was not required at this point because it was very basic and I literally studied momentum and everything so much in depth and but it didn't come only but ठीक है the paper went well and tomorrow we have electrotherapy जिसके लिए I'm the सबसे ज़्यादा scared so now my plan is कि it is already 8 o'clock because after coming back home I was very tired so I did thoda time pass and I ate my dinner also now everything is done I'm going to sit to study so firstly I'm deciding I'll finish 10 TMS Whirlpool year 4 I'll finish first and then I'll get back to the basic physics के topics because वो मैंने थोड़ा एक चैप्टर किया उसमें a lot of things are left but now we cannot do anything because it is left so let's not start new thing first जितना किया है वो अच्छे से रिवाइज करूंगी उसके बाद I'll start something new so let's the first target is to finish all this 10 TMS Whirlpool homeworks So ये 4 खत्म करके I'll see all. I think we should start with home remedies because I'm much more confident for tens, DMS, Whirlpool than for home remedies. So मैं home remedies पहले देखूँ. I have to refer a PDF for that. So first we'll do home remedies and then see. And I just hope कि कल का paper भी easy है, like today's paper was easy. So let's get started with studying now. Bye. Guys, पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही. I'm trying to study but now I'm genuinely very bored. It is 10. I've decided 1 घंटा I'll study now. 1 hour now I'll study properly, then I'll go off to sleep, then tomorrow I'll wake up early and study. This is the plan, so let's get back to studying.
The next day.
I'm deciding I'll take a shower and then revise whatever I've studied till now. Hi guys, I just took shower. I feel very fresh now. मैंने सोचा कि अभी I'm not doing anything new. अभी तक whatever I've studied, like my entire syllabus is not finished. A lot of topics, non topics are still left. But I'm thinking to not focus on them. मेरा जितना हुआ है, I'll try to revise that first. So right now, I have my Clayton with me. मैंने जितना इसमें से अभी तक 10th DMS and Whirlpool का revision, and then in class maybe I can do home remedies, and let's get started to studying. Let's start studying now and I'll see you all when I leave, and I hope the paper comes easy like it did yesterday, because yesterday मैंने बहुत अच्छा, but the paper was very easy and only the starting के initial easy topics were asked. But never mind, now today we don't know कैसा paper आएगा, so we need to be ready for the worst. But I'm not ready, so थोड़ा सा ready करते हैं खुद को, and sorry. Okay, bye. Last exam day, guys. Let's go. Hey guys, we have Tisha today with us. I'm going with Tisha after a very long time. You know, I'll put this on. What are you doing? Simone is least interested. Are you mad? What? Are over. The paper was not that great, but
the paper was good.
better than what we expected actually.
एंड यस हमें लगा हम फेल हो जाएंगे और सब भगवान भरोसा था, पर भगवान ने बचा लिया.
Yes, भगवान ने बचा लिया, but I'm very happy that the paper went. Let's not show the washroom. The paper was nice. I'm very happy. We'll go somewhere. At least we'll do थोड़ा.
पेपर फर्स्ट फॉर्मेट.
चलो.
I hope.
Sorry. You know what I did with
So
Simply
happy.
Please?
Don't shout.
Overactive has started again because of the vlog, of course.
Shut up.
Finally, the exams are over.
Finally over.
Now Riaz goes to
I would like to give a nice shout out
She's giving a shout out. She's giving a shout out. Wait.
to Tisha, and you give. अच्छा ठीक है, सिमोनी को भी मिलेगा. And Simoni will first give because she shared. 1 second. I'll come to you. So for Simoni, come Simone, I'm giving you because Simoni, for yesterday's exam, I studied entirely from Simoni's notes, maximum thing. जिसने बहुत अच्छे notes बनाए थे. Thank you so much, Simoni. Then Tisha is the one who explained me all the important topics because मैं आधा पढ़ के आती थी, आधा नहीं, but आधा Tisha used to teach me properly and उसका भाषा मेरे को समझता था. Thank you so much. Vaishvi, what have you done?
Kill you. I did help you in Padhai.
Yes. Vaishvi was my motivation. I used to call Vaishvi, then Vaishvi used to tell me what she is doing. Then we used to discuss together what we are supposed to study.
This is motivating.
But what help have you done? Genuine.
I taught you so
She
much.
taught, yeah, but she used
It's a mix.
yeah. Like Tisha used to teach me, then Vaishvi बीच में बोल देती थी अपना
यार तो
थोड़ा
जा यार ऐसा कौन बोलता है? Next time I'm not telling you anything. What are all the important points जो Tisha miss कर
I
चुकी थी?
feel for the Monday's exam it generally helped me for
Yeah.
the kinesiotherapy exam.
And for kinesiology also helped you ना? Movement of force.
ए मोमेंटा नहीं, वो आया ही नहीं जो इसने पढ़ा था. आई फील फॉर काइनेसोलॉजी सिमोनीज नोट्स हैव जेन्युइनली सेव्ड मी. दे आर वेरी गुड. पिया ने तो कोई मदद नहीं की है हमारी.
मैंने होम रेमेडी में मदद की पर वो आया
एक क्वेश्चन नहीं आया.
मेरी इतनी फट रही थी होम रेमेडी
एग्जैक्टली. ओके बाय.